I'm giving away 3 more Sephora gift cards. Hey Pita Chips, welcome back to another video. Today we are filming a makeup steals and deals. Now you might be like, Lupita, what is makeup steals and deals if you're new here to this channel? So makeup steals and deals is where I go to Marshall's, Tjmaxx, Nordstrom Rack, and I try to find high-end makeup for a more affordable price. So today the first stop is Marshall's. I actually have some items that I need to return, and I thought it would be really great to just check out the makeup section and see what Marshall's has to offer for us today. So without any further ado, we're gonna go into Marshall's and see what we can find. Alright guys, I am super excited because I am still in the hunt for those individual lily lashes, or even if I find one more pack where it comes with 2 lashes and the tweezers, that'll be even great. So let's see if we can find them today. Hopefully we do. Yes, Marshall's. Okay, let's see what we can find. Alright, they have a couple brush sets. These are by Valle and these are $10, really pretty ones. And they also have these. I have not seen these. These are all black with a little tint of purple. These are by Kestrel, and these right here are $13, but you do get, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10 brushes. The Real Techniques, the color correcting ones, I've showed you guys these before. They have Bliss High Definition Makeup Brush Set. These are $9.99, and then these mermaid ones back here. These don't have a price. Oh no, they're $5 for these. When they have the same brand, but these are white with black from Kestrel. How do you say Kestrel? $9.99. Then they have the Enchanted Glam powder brushes by Valle also. These are $4.99. The Equal Tools ones, the Rose Edition, these are $5.99. And these Eye Beauty. Oh, and then this one's cute. It's like a unicorn theme one. This one is $4.99. Alright, I found this Stila Perfect Me Eye and Cheek Palette. It is so pretty, and it's just, I just saw the price, $7.99 for this one. It's a Stila Sunset Color Lip and Cheek Palette. This one is $7.99 as well. It looks like they have a lot of Stila products now. And then I was looking through the clearance section, and they have like the magnetic lashes, and I've been wanting to try these. These are $9.99. Real Techniques. This is a sponge and the stand. That comes with 2 of them. These are $5.99. I thought I was gonna find like the lily lashes back here, but they don't have any. They have this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It literally comes with every single shade I think they have available, and it's only $29.99. Bunch of W7 palettes. Oh, and then they have a Marc Jacobs lippy back here, and they look like they have like the whole Gigi Hadid collection back here. This one is $17 for all of this. And then they have CoverGirl, another Stila palette up there. And then look, I'm telling you guys, they have a lot of Stila now. Color Lip Balm, Concealer, Perfecting Concealer, Lip Gloss, Aqua Glow Serum Concealer, Anastasia Aurora palette for $25. And they have Lorac Tantalizer Highlighter and Bronzer Duo, $7.99. This Bare Minerals Deluxe Original Foundation. Oh, that's nice. I haven't seen this one. $17. Lip liners for $20. Bella Pierre. What else? Bobbi Brown Mini Mask Trio. These are $12.99. And more Lorac. Oh, and then they have the NYX ones. This Liquid Suede for $4.99. Alright, I found this Matchbox palette. $24.99, not bad for this one. I have the Anastasia lip palette. It's on Clearsome for $20. Lorac Tantalizers, baked bronzers, these mini ones for $6, or you can get the big one for $8, like $3 more. It looks like this once you take it out of the box. I found these Revlon Lip Balms for $2.89, and then I found these Lorac Lippies. These are $4.99 as well. And this Lorac Tantalizer, it's a bronzer and a highlight for $5. And then I found this Lorac Alter Ego lipstick in Bartista. I like a whole bunch of nail polishes, Butter, OPI. Then I found Anastasia liquid lipsticks and lip glosses for $7.99. And Anastasia single shadows. These are new colors. I had not seen them. $3.99. Lorac lip gloss back here and Ernesto for $3.99. Gigi Hadid, I think her whole collection is here now for $4.99. For Technique Beauties for $3, and then a whole bunch of nail polishes. If you're really into nail polishes, you should come here and check it out because they literally have so many of them. They have Maybelline smudge eyeliner for $2.99. Oh, they have Bare Minerals for $19.99 as well. But so far this is all they have. Well, it looks like we had no luck again with the lily lashes, but they do have a lot of more Stila coming into Marshall's, well, at least on this one. Also, stay very tuned because in this video I'm going to be giving away 3 Sephora gift cards, and if you want to know how to win, stay tuned. Right now we're going to go to another store and see if we have better luck finding more high-end makeup. So let's go. Alrighty, we're here at Tjmaxx. I actually haven't been to this location in quite some time, so I'm excited to see what they have. Holy moly, I had never seen so much makeup. And it's literally like almost all high-end. Look what I found. I found the bucket of beauty blenders, 12 miracle sponges for $24.99. So technically every sponge is like what, $2? Oh my god. And then look here, they have a whole bunch of goodies. Lamp Glow, Pout Mud, look these, and then Anastasia lip gloss. I have so much stuff, I'm like overwhelmed. Soft Lilac, $7.99. Too Faced Melted Lippy. Have the Lorac foundations for $7.99. Cargo palettes, $9.99. MAC lip liners for $19.99. Matchbox Bronzer, I've showed you guys this one before, $19.99 for this one. And they have the, I thought I saw the Gigi Hadid. I guess I got confused with the packaging. But they have Smashbox brow pencils for $3.99. And then what are these? Oh no freaking way! The Smashbox X-rated mascara for only $10. Kat Von D Lippy for $7.99. What else? They have so many of the mascaras now. Last time I came, I wanted one, and they were like completely out. Gigi Hadid mascara for $4.99. Another Lorac foundation, Maybelline foundation for $2.99. This is a NYX Nude on Nude Natural Look Kit for $20. What does it come with? It comes with an eyeshadow and 2 lip glosses. Let's see, what else do I see? I see Bare Minerals bag, original price $30, and they have it here for $20. And then I see a whole bunch of Lorac bronzers, tan bronzers for $7.99. They have a lot of these. And they have these Bare Minerals Deluxe Foundation that I showed you guys over there as well. $17 for this one. And yeah, I can't believe I found the little bucket. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I found this Lorac Take a Brow. I had not seen these. These are $4. And then this Smashbox Full Exposure little palette, $15. Some Clinique pressed makeup for $17.89. These magnetic lashes, which I really have been wanting to try out to put them to the test in a video. Oh, they have these NYX, and these are gel lipsticks. These are $4.99, and they have these lip lingerie, 3 sets for $5. Oh, that is super inexpensive actually. The NYX Berlin, these come with like eyeshadow and the lippy for just $5.99. Oh, and then this one comes with the eyeliner, the liquid lipstick, and the palette. Only $10 because the lip liner by itself is like $8, so that's really good. And then look, they have this one which is a little bit smaller. This one is $20, and then these tiny ones which are $30. Look how cute those are. And then this one is another one of the same ones. And then my favorite lashes, Cosmedia lashes for $8. Liners from Maybelline. Pencils, Real Technique brush for $4. Milani brow tinted gel. MAC Studio, more Maybelline. MAC Studio Gigi Hadid mascara. They have so much makeup here. I bet you here they did have the Lily lashes, but I probably came too late already. They have so much. I also found this Bobbi Brown Standout Eyes Longwear Smoky Eye Kit for $30. I found this Peter Thomas for Blemish Buffing Beads for skincare for just $20. But if you compare Peter Thomas here to Sephora, it's super affordable. Like I said, they're starting to put a lot more high-end skincare in here now. I found this dope brush, Cindy Perez. Look at that, it is so pretty for $7. It looks like really good material. We're gonna look it up, but they definitely have a lot. Oh no, they actually have a different one as well, but this one is gray. I have to look these up to see if they're like a little expensive or not. They have another bucket of the Real Technique ones, but I looked it up and right now they're having a sale and each beauty blender is 3 instead of 6. So it's not really a good deal right now, so I'm not gonna take it. But they have a lot of things. Tweezers, Ellen Tracy. Ellen Tracy super affordable. More Ellen Tracy. I did tell you guys they had Bella Pierre, right? Bella Pierre for let's see, this one doesn't have a price. I hate when that happens. Well, they have Bella Pierre. Next one I showed you guys already. They have Milani for $3. They have these by Kiss Proof for $6. Cargo palettes. And they had elf. Where did I see it? Oh, they have, oh, wait, I had not seen this one. It's a Smashbox with the mascara primer, and a primer. CoverGirl for $2.49. That's super affordable. And then what else? I still can't believe I found that package. And then the bronzer Ardell lashes for just $4, and then the magnetic ones as well. Oh, these are Cosmedia for $8. And then I found this Bare Minerals Glow Illuminator plus the brush for just $15. And these palettes look really pretty. The W7, this one looks like the fire one from Naked for $5.99. Okay, I also found these NYX brushes. They're metal material for $14.99, and they have many more of the soft matte lip creams, and these are $4.79. And then these, the lipstick ones that I showed you guys. But I just thought I'd show you guys the brushes really quickly because I just saw them and I was like, oh my god, I have to show them. They're really, really pretty. So, I mean, $15 for 5 brushes in the bag. It's actually not that bad. You guys don't know, I love everything that's like Mexican theme, and I just saw these and this one and I'm like screaming. They're only $20. Oh my god, I love this.
Okay, so we're currently in Tjmaxx, and if you ask me personally, I think I'm gonna start coming to this Tjmaxx from now on because we found so much stuff. Like, you have no idea. When I went in, I was just like mind blown because I had never seen a big quantity of makeup like that. I was just impressed. And the fact that almost all of it was high-end was even better. If you ask me, I'm like 99% sure that there was lily lashes in this location, except I probably came too late, or I probably didn't come the day that they restocked. But definitely next week I'm gonna come to this Tjmaxx to see what else they have, because it's just, it was like makeup heaven in there. It was amazing. Okay, now we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack and then see what we can find there, and then we'll go on from there. All right guys, now we're here at Nordstrom Rack, so let's see what we can find. Definitely here there's gonna be a lot of high-end makeup, so be prepared for that.
They have the Disney Parts of the Caribbean palette. This is a tester. I'm gonna swatch a couple colors for you guys. Ooh, that's really pretty. They have the Parts of the Caribbean Lippies for $12.97. Laura Mercier contouring palette. Now this one is $24.97. The Matchbox ones, these tiny ones, are $12.97. Full Exposure by Smashbox, these are $24.87. And then this one I've showed you guys before is the Masterclass palette. Excuse my nails guys, I had to get rid of my nails because they were just like getting so bad, so now my real nails are so busted. These Buxom, these are $9.87. These are lipsticks. They have different colors. Oh, and they have lime cream for $8.97. More Buxom, these are lip plumpers, and these are $9.87 as well. Smashbox cheek ones for $12.97. Bare Minerals Be Neutral, this one, oh, that's a pretty palette. And then they have MAC lip liners, $12.97. MAC lip stain for $14.97. More MAC lip pencils, $12.97. And their eyebrow products for $9.97. So they literally have so many makeup. Oh my god. Wait, I'm trying to find that palette. Where is it? Oh, I think I found the palette, but I'm trying to open it and it's a little bit hard. Let me see. There we go. Look at those pretty colors. Except I don't want to open it because I don't think it's a tester. I don't want to swatch it. But look how pretty these colors are. It's this palette right here, and it's $19.87. They have Urban Decay. These are like lip glosses, $9.87. These are individual shadows for $5.87. The foundations are $17.87. And they have fair, medium light, medium dark, and then dark. Oh, and then they have the highlight fluid for $13.87, and then the Naked Skin Foundation Powder for $17.87. The Afterglow one is really pretty. This one is $16.87, and then these, which come with like the pair of the lippy and the lip liner, and these are $13.97, and they have different shades, and then the all-nighter spray, and then yeah, they have these right here. I love the clearance section, especially if it's makeup. They have this Laura Geller 4-piece hydrating essential, and now it's $22. And then these big ones, 4-piece blooming ones, are now $24.50. And they have these Urban Decay ones, which are now, let's see if I could find the price. They're now $18. How cute is this Kate Spade purse? Let's see how much it is. I really like it. $159. I've always wanted a Kate Spade purse, but I can't afford them. But one day I'll be able to. Alright guys, we're out of Nordstrom Rack, and there was so much high-end, but when it comes to Nordstrom Rack, I always expect a lot of high-end. It's not like super affordable like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, but it's a little affordable compared to the original price. Now we're gonna go to the mall because I need to go pick up an item that I need for a video coming up pretty soon. I know you guys are gonna love it, so I'll take you guys along with me to the mall. So let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the mall, and then here we're gonna go to Sephora because I need to get something for the video I told you. Alright, I came to Cotton On really quickly, and I really liked this shirt. except it's 25 and it didn't fit. So I'm kind of glad it didn't fit, because if not I totally would have paid 25, because it's really cute. But like I found these little cheap tops that I really like, but I'm still like indecisive. I think I'm gonna take them. But the jeans, oh my god, they're so cute. Now we're gonna go into Sephora and get that one item that I was talking about.
Alright guys, so I didn't find what I was looking at Sephora, so it looks like I'm going to have to order it online, and it's going to take a little bit so I can receive it, but stay tuned because I know you guys are going to love this video and I'm going to love it as well. It's going to be so much fun filming it. So now that we're out of the mall and I didn't find the item, I'm going to tell you guys the winner from the previous Makeup Steals and Deals giveaway. So the last giveaway for Makeup Steals and Deals was this Smashbox Lippy right here, and the winner for this Smashbox Lippy is Magdalena Escoto. So Magdalena, if you could please message me on my Instagram so I can go ahead and send you your prize. Now I did tell you guys that I'm giving away 3 more Sephora gift cards. You guys really enjoyed when I gave away 3 Sephora gift cards in the previous video. So I did purchase these 3 when I went to Sephora to get my makeup done, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get 3 more gift cards for 3 of my pita chips because you guys loved it so much. So here they are, 3 more gift cards for 3 of you. You never know, you might be the lucky winner if you're watching this. So all you have to do, it is super easy. Just show love, do what it takes for me to notice you. Go show love on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook page. Everything will be linked down below, and if you want that extra chance of winning, you can enter the link down below in the description box. It should be the glam link down below in the description box. That's just if you want to get like extra points to win, but if not, you can just go ahead and show me a lot of love on my social medias. Do whatever it takes for me to notice you, and that is about it. And also the giveaway will be open for 2 weeks, so you have 2 weeks to go spam me, do whatever it takes for me to notice you, and I think that's about it. I think I said everything I needed to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We found a lot of good products in the Tjmaxx that we went to, and it was so much fun bringing you guys along with me. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the family, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita Chip family, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys! Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.